Hello children, how are you all? You're all safe at home? Yes, now that you have learned to be safe everywhere, you will definitely be safe at home. Teacher believes that. Okay children? Yes, shall we start our session today? Yes, good. Everybody is showing thumbs up. Good children. Now, tell me children, teacher was talking to you about living things, non-living things, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes. Children, what do the living things need to live? Who will tell me? Ishan, can you tell me? Yes, good. The living things need food, air and water. These are the three important things what the living things need. We have already learnt about the food, right, in our lesson 2. Now today we will discuss about the other two important things what the living things need. Okay children, teacher will show you something. See this? What is it? It is a balloon. Very good. It is a balloon. Okay, first will we buy like this from the shop? No. We will buy empty balloons from the shop. And how will the balloons become big like this? Yes, we will blow the air into the balloon. Then the balloon will become big. Isn't it children? Yes or no? Yes. So, we blow air into the balloon. Then the balloon will become big. Understood children? Now, put your palm like this. Blow. Can you feel something touching your palm? Blow again. Yes, something is touching your palm. Isn't it children? Can you see what is touching your palm? Blow and see. While blowing, what something has touched your palm. Can you touch it? No. We can only feel something, right? What is that we are feeling? That is air. Something is moving here and we are able to feel it when it is moving. The thing which we are able to feel when it is moving, that is air. Understood children? Yes? Yes or no? Yes, you all understood, right? Now, we learned that we cannot see air, we cannot touch air and we feel air when it moves. Yes or no? Yes. And one more thing children, air is the most essential element. Essential is a new word you are learning, right? Essential means necessary. Air is necessary for all the living things. So, air is the most essential element for all the living things. We can't live without air, isn't it children? If you hold your nose like this, you can't breathe air. If you can't breathe air, can you live? No. So air is very important for us. It is necessary. It is the most essential element. Understood children? Air is a natural resource. What is the meaning of natural resource? Teacher showed you this balloon, right? Yes, this balloon we bought it from the shop. Isn't it children? Yes or no? This balloon we bought it from the shop. Okay. But air is not like that. Air is freely available in the nature. Everywhere it is. And you understand children? Yes, air is freely available. We are not buying it from anywhere. That is why we call air as a natural resource. What do we call air? We call air as a natural resource. And children, teacher is telling that air is everywhere. Isn't it children? How do you believe that air is everywhere? Teacher will show you that with an experiment. Okay, shall we see? What is this? Children, can you tell me what is this? This is a glass. Can you see anything inside the glass? Nidhi, can you tell me what is there inside the glass? Nothing. Is it so? But teacher is telling that air is inside the glass. Can you see the air? No. Can you touch the air? No. But teacher will show you that this glass is not empty. There is some air inside the glass. Okay, shall I show you? Now I am taking a bowl of water. Can you see this? This is a bowl of water. Now what teacher is doing? Putting a glass inside. See? This glass upside down, I am putting it inside. Is the water entering into the glass? No. water is not entering into the glass, but when the teacher slowly tilts the glass, can you see the bubbles? See this? Now teacher is putting the glass upside down. Teacher is tilting the glass. Bubbles. Yes, again see, teacher is putting the glass upside down. Now tilting the glass slowly. Yes, that bubbles. Do you know, children, what was that? Those were the bubbles of air. What was that? Those were the bubbles of air. Okay, air is already there inside the glass. So the water to go inside, the air has to go out. There should be some space for the water to go inside. Like you have a toys bag and it is all stuffed with toys, fully packed. And you went for shopping and you bought another new toy. You wanted to keep that in your toy bag. What you have to do? You have to take out one or the other toy which is already there. Isn't it? Yes, to put the new toys in your bag. Yes, the same way, this is already filled with air. The air has to be taken out for the water to get in. Understood, children? That is the way we say that air is everywhere. Now what you will do today after the class, children? You will all go home and do this experiment. Okay? Take a bowl of water and take an empty glass. First put it upside down. You will feel that water is not entering into the glass. You can understand it because you will see that after that slowly tilt the glass, you will see the bubbles. Again put it upside down and tilt, you can see the bubbles. Those are the bubbles of air. Okay, children, will you all do this experiment today? Yes? Yes, very good. You will do this experiment and you have also learned few new words today. What are they? Essential element, natural resource. Okay? You will remember all these things about air. We cannot see air. We cannot touch air. We feel air when it moves. And air is the most essential element. Air is a natural resource. Air is everywhere. You all know about your fans. You have fans? Yes? When you turn on the switch of the fan's blades will swing. The fan will move. It will swing. And you can feel the comfort of air, isn't it? What is happening? Because air is already there. Like we have learned that air is already there in the glass, empty glass. Air is already there in the space. When the fan blades are moving and pushing the air with force, you can feel the comfort of air. Did you understand, children? That air is everywhere, and you will also do the experiment today, right? Yes, everybody will do the experiment and you will come back and tell teacher, I have done this experiment and I learned that air is everywhere. Will you all do that? Yes, you are all very, very good children, right? You will definitely do that. Okay, children, take care. Bye for today.